Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your warm welcome. I'm quite impressed with your protocol that you have put in place from the entrance of the school, and then each and every classroom that you have set up. The information is available all over the place, and students should be able to have an access to this information. And just looking around, the school is very well presented, and it seems that the teachers and the school management committee, you are ready to receive the students and move on with teaching and learning. Today's meeting is purely to have one-to-one discussion with the school management committee to understand some of the challenges you may be facing, some of the things that you want us to clarify, and maybe you have some concerns regarding the school management handbook. We can have that discussion. You may be having some vision regarding the school and you want to share that with us. So whatever it is, it's your time, and I'm here to listen to you and understand how we can help you, in which area, and the areas where we cannot because of the policies that we have in place. I can also share with you the various policies we do have and what you can do under that policy. Just a short remark. Please note that the handbook has been introduced, the new revised handbook, and we have introduced two signatories. One is the head of school and the other one is the school manager or representative of the school management committee. That was purely done based on some of the recommendations that came out of which came out through the auditors. So when the auditors did the auditing of accounts, they found that there were certain breaches that needs to be rectified, and we are rectifying that through this new school management handbook. We have put the head of school as one of the signatories so that we can hold this head of school accountable. The head of school is a civil servant, and this is a government grant, and the disbursement and the use of that grant is done collectively in agreement. The head of school is well versed with the policies, and it's for him or her to explain clearly to the board of governance or the school management committee what can be done, what cannot be done. But our first priority is to create a conducive environment for children to learn. Like for example, here we can see tiles, etc., the fan. So we have to create that good ambience for our children to learn. Right, so that's where we come from. I know in the past the school management committees struggled to raise funds, and our children, our parents, they had to be part of that fundraising exercise. And through that process, the money were collected. Sometimes the money was not sufficient, and yet one had to run the school. So we know those challenges, those difficulties the school management committees faced. But now we have come up with the free education grant, and this grant is to ease the burden of the school management committee and particularly the community that we are serving. Because when we talk about school management committee, you are the representative of that community. At the end of the day, the school belongs to the community, and they are the ones who have been raising funds, and you are the conduit between the community and the Ministry of Education, right? So it is for that reason that we have brought about some changes. I know there are some schools who are doing things appropriately. There are school management committee who have passion to grow the school and take care of the schools, but unfortunately we have not seen the same from other school management committee. So that has led to the setting up of, for the review of the handbook. We are kindly seeking teachers to focus on the curriculum, assist the students as much as possible so that they come back to school, and the reopening of school is extremely important.